Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer A7 and Archer AX20 routers. We'll explore four key specifications: wireless performance, security features, hardware design, and software functionalities. Wireless. The Archer A7 supports Wi-Fi standards with AX17 50 speeds, offering 1300 MPs on the 5GHz band and 450 MPs on the 2.4 GHz band. In contrast, the Archer AX20 embraces Wi-Fi 6 technology with AX1800 speeds, delivering 1201 MEMS on the 5 GHz band and 507. Both routers feature multiple high-performance antennas and beamforming technology for improved coverage and signal strength. Security. Both routers provide robust security features, including SPI firewall, access control, IP binding, and application layer gateway. They support guest networks and various encryption standards such as WAL, PATWU, and WA3 for secure wireless communication. Additionally, both routers offer VPN server capabilities with OpenVPN protocols. Hardware. While specific hardware details for the Archer AX20 are not provided, both routers offer 1 gigabit WAN port and 4 gigabit LAN ports for high-speed wired connections. Both models feature essential buttons for easy setup and management. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IF6 protocols, along with quality of service (QoS) by device for efficient bandwidth management. They offer parental controls, cloud services for firmware upgrades, and dynamic DDs support for remote access. The Archer AX20 also supports on-mesh technology for creating a flexible network with compatible devices. In summary, the TP-Link Archer A7 and Archer AX20 routers cater to different user needs, with the Archer A7 providing reliable Wi-Fi performance and the Archer AX20 embracing the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology for enhanced speed and efficiency. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.